Welcome everyone to another episode of Money and Travel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a monthly search for award availability on Virgin Atlantic. As you probably know, Virgin Atlantic is a good source to find Delta award flights. I'm going to start by doing a search. We're going to look for Atlanta to Belize. And we're going to select our dates here. And once we do that, we want to make sure you spend here the advanced search. Make sure you have selected points for your search, and then we're gonna click next to run that search. Once you do that, you may find something like this that tells you that there is no award available. You probably want to try a different date and run that search one more time. If you find availability, then it's gonna probably show you a 7 days calendar with those available dates. You see here we found one date that is available. Once you find one spot, you can span that by changing your URL. If you go here to your URL, you're gonna find this place where it says flexible dates. You're gonna click on there and you're gonna change the word dates for calendar. Once you do that and hit enter, it's gonna show you a monthly view. Now you have the full month of January with all the dates available for that flight, and then from that you can keep scrolling to the following months, and that's how you run a monthly search on Virgin Atlantic. Thanks again for watching, and if you like the content of this video, don't forget to subscribe.